Everybody, today we are going to cook Kung Pao chicken. Now, to cook Kung Pao chicken, we need a few ingredients. Obviously, we need chicken. You can see here, I've sliced and stripped about 300 grams of chicken tenderloin. I found it nice and soft. I've cut about half a tin of bamboo shoots. I'll use the uncut one so I can cut it into chunky piece. 1 carrot, cut it in cubes, and I boil water and put it in there just to slightly cook them. About 9 shiitake mushroom, fresh one, which I cut it into pieces. Over here, we have 4 cloves of garlic. Use about 2 red chili, de-seeded, and 1 spring onion. We'll need sesame seed oil. I found this sauce, Kinto chili paste. Is firstly marinate our chicken tenderloin. Put about 1 teaspoon worth starch, 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, and about 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine. Just marinate, leave that for a few minutes. That way, our chicken will be nicely tender when we cook them. Cook the chicken first thing first, and on the heat on our wok. 50 ml of cooking oil, which is probably around 4 or 5 tablespoons of oil. It's hot enough. We first just quickly fry our chicken. So quickly cook our chicken to the point where it's almost half cooked. Our chicken is half cooked now, so we can take it out. The reason we only half cook the chicken at the moment is later on when you cook the chicken with the rest of the vegetable, it will not be too dry. I don't want the chicken to be too dry. Our wok is clean and dry. Oil has been drained, so we put in about 1 tablespoon of our new cooking oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, put in our garlic, 4 cloves of garlic, which are finely chopped, 2 chili, spring onion, 1 spring onion. Get the fragrance up. It's our shiitake mushroom. I chop about 9 shiitake mushroom, cut it in pieces. Just slightly stir fry all of the shiitake mushroom. Next, we'll put in our carrot. Here, because carrot has a little bit of moisture in there because we have boiled the water and put in the carrots. Normally carrot takes quite a while to cook. That's why you slightly cook the carrot first so when you stir fry the carrot, it doesn't take too long. Is our bamboo shoots. So you can see the dish is currently still very dry. That's okay. We are going to put some liquid in a little bit later. Chicken that we cooked earlier, we have drained the oil. It is still half cooked at the moment. So now we'll put our chicken in. 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine. Let it cook in the Shaoxing wine a little bit so it'll soak it up. You can see our mushroom is nice and soft now. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon of chili paste. As you can see, our dish is still nice and dry at the moment. Another tablespoon of soy, just to give it a bit of a salty. 1 cup of water, which is about 250 ml. Let it slightly simmers a bit. Put in our starch water, which is about 150 ml of water with 1 tablespoon of corn flour. That will thicken up our sauce. Cook for about another minute or so. Well, the chicken will be nicely cooked once it's done. It looks like our dish is done. The sauce is reduced nice and thick. And that's our compound chicken.